Hello all, how is everyone doing? It's going to be a little bit rushed because we're running late, but we're on the way to the airfield to meet our pilot friends. But we've only just got back from town, so yeah, it's a bit literally we're just in and straight back out again. Had to go town to get the van MOT'd, which it failed, which is just absolutely perfect. Didn't fail on anything I was worried about. It's failed on rust. Yeah, so I'm gonna have to tackle that. I've got a month to fix it. You're allowed to still drive it, but we need to get on the road, so hopefully we get there before them so I can film them coming in, but at this rate probably not. We'll see how it goes. This is of course the maiden voyage for Marie's van as well, because we're staying overnight there. So first test drive. Hopefully the army don't turn up, because that'll be awkward. I think it's pretty well abandoned. Oh. Could have just come in there, well done.
Which way do you go? Oh yes, alright.
Yeah, look at this. This is mega cool. Oops, I've meant to
wow.
So you got all the old hangars and stuff. And then they lead out onto a 1.5 mile long runway. Look at the state of this. And this is where they'll be coming in a minute. 10 minutes, I think. Can't see them. Oh, yeah, we can. Little black dot up there.
Little black dot. There's two of them.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, there they are. Oh!
That's hilarious.
That's so funny. Oh, they're getting closer. Oh, they're getting closer. They're flying very much so.
Look at this synchronised bloody flight. Showing off now.
I know. They're not very protected, are they?
No, that's the whole point.
One down. Yeah, he's coming up behind us.
few miles away, you can see it.
Yeah, it's quite a place, isn't it? Middle of nowhere. Wow, this escalated quickly. If we go down, you'll have to find this camera. Evidence.
Yeah,
There we go, yeah.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can. Can you hear me?
I can barely hear you. You see the microphone? Is it right up against your mouth?
Oh, here it is. There we go.
Yeah. Can you hear me alright? Yeah?
Put it right up close on it. Yeah.
Oh.
Marie's turn.
Oh, it's supposed to be that
That's
close.
better. That's better. I can hear you now.
Well, it's noisy.
Can you imagine what it's like after about 5-6 hours in the damn thing?
Yeah, I can imagine.
Ringing ears and the lot, you know.
Get the gloves on and we'll go for it.
Curious. These hangars, see if they can pull into there. Try and find somewhere to camp.
Oh yeah, definitely.
Oh yeah, I mean they would have had fighter jets in these.
We filled a pair of them up at the first stop this morning. It cost me 308 quid.
Boggy ground. That's cool.
Next thing I do, when I put this down, is get the muzzle spray out. Yeah, well that stuff I've got is good for spreading on your legs and your arms and stuff. Without actually, you know, spraying on your head and no shortage of wood though.
Well, the thing is, it's quite warm low down, but you go up level with the cloud or just above it, you go from 15, 18 degrees, whatever it was, up to about 5 or 6. And you imagine being in a 80 mile an hour wind when it's 5 degrees.
Plus the wind chill,
You don't realise that, 'cause I mean, I've had to suit up, as have you, haven't you, Trev? We're suited up on the ground, and it's like 28 degrees. And you have to put all your gear on, because you know that you're going to go up to 5,000 or 6,000 feet to get out the bumps, and it's freezing. Even when it's damn near 30 on the ground, it can be sort of 5 or 6 degrees up there at most.
It was the most intense climb I've ever put in. But when I actually got to the top and the intensity had sort of dropped as I sort of you know, throttled back a bit and levelled out and sort myself out, and I thought, hands are getting cold, let's stick them in them bar mitts. And they were frozen solid. And all the rain droplets were all frozen on the screen. I looked at the temperature and it was -7. And then you suddenly think to yourself, all the rain on the wing is all frozen, and you know.
Yeah.
So I think we did about 10 minutes up there, didn't we? Sort of heading in the right direction.
Yes.
And we started to sort of come down.
As soon as we could get down a bit, we came down, didn't we?
And then you watch the temperature go up as you go down, and then all the rain, sort of frozen rain, started to melt and then slip off, sort of thing. Yeah, that was pretty intense, wasn't it?
It does always cool down in the evening though.
I've got a bit of extra flame because I spilled meth all on the burner.
I'm definitely going to have a look into it, I think.
Into these?
Yeah, see what the deal is in this country.
Yeah.
I imagine there's going to be a bit of a language barrier in terms of learning.
Well, yeah, I suppose so.
Start loading stuff up then. We have a cunning plan.
I didn't film that much last night because, you know, we were catching up and stuff, not seen Trev for many years. But the main reason I'm making this video is because not only are they doing the trip, which is pretty mega in itself, you know, flying from the UK to the Nordkap, they're also raising money for Prostate Cancer UK on the way. So any additional exposure they can get can't be a bad thing. I'll leave all the links in the description. They've got a Just Giving page, I think it is, and maybe a website. I'll have a look. But Trev also has a YouTube channel and he's been filming along the way. So if you want to see their trip unfold, go and subscribe to that. Again, I'll link it below. And yeah, just cracking couple of lads, really. It's awesome what they're doing. I'd love to do something like that. It's given me ideas. And considering we have a runway not very far from home, yeah, camping, plane camping, that could be a one. After this trip, Trev's also going to be doing a lot of that kind of stuff, going off in the aircraft and camping at places, and yeah, it's going to be worth a subscribe, I think, following along. Anyway, that's it from me. I'll see you on the next one. Catch you in a bit. I'm going to follow him down the runway.
You're going to gun it?
Try and keep up. I don't know what their takeoff speed is. I bet it's about 70 miles an hour. So of all the things I've done with vans, it's probably one of the strangest, but coolest.
Yeah, that's definitely